Hello students, in this video we will learn to insert header and footer in a document. Header and footer are the areas present at the top and bottom of a page in a document. We can add text and graphics in these areas. So let us insert header in a document. To insert header, click on Insert tab. Click on Header button in the Header and Footer group. Select the desired header design in the drop-down gallery. Here I am selecting blank style with 3 columns. The selected header style is inserted on every page. Type the desired content in the header area. Notice that the contextual tab named Header and Footer Tools appears on the ribbon. The Additional Design tab contains various options to edit and format the header and footer. Now let us learn to insert footer in the same document. On the Contextual Design tab, click on the Go to Footer option in the navigation group. The cursor jumps to the footer area. We can also do the same by clicking on Footer button in the Header and Footer group. The footer gallery opens. Choose the desired style. Enter the required content in the footer area. To deactivate the header and footer, click on the Close Header and Footer button in the Close group on the Contextual Design tab, or simply press the Escape key. In this way, we can insert header and footer in the document. Thank you.